Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson about comparing numbers with Ali Alligator. As I told you in the last session that Ali Alligator always likes to eat the greater number, so it opens its mouth towards the greater number and turns his back to the smaller number as you see here. Now let's go and compare numbers together. Here I have two counters, and in the second group I have three counters. So now grade 1 learners, let's compare these two numbers. Which number is greater? Which number is less? Are these two numbers equal? Yes, you're right. Number 3 is greater than number 2. So Ali Alligator opens his mouth towards number 3 and turns his back to number 2. Let's read the comparing sentence together. 2 is less than 3, or 3 is greater than 2. Let's continue. Here I have 4 cars. In the second group, I have 2 cars only. Which number is greater? Number 4 or number 2? Excellent! Number 4 is greater than number 2. So Ali Alligator will open his mouth towards number 4 and turns his back to number 2. Let's read now the comparing sentence. 4 is greater than 2, or 2 is less than 4. That's great. Now let's compare the number of the fish in these two groups. Here I have 1, 2, 3 fish. And here in the second group, 1, 2, 3. Grade 1 learners, open your eyes very well and let us think. Which number is greater? Which number is less? Are these two numbers equal? Yes, they are equal numbers. So I draw equal sign. This is equal sign. Let's read now the comparing sentence. 3 is equal to 3. Let's continue. You're doing great. Now let's count the hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hearts. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hearts. Let's compare these two numbers, 9 and 7. Which number is less? That's great. Number 7 is less than number 9. Number 7 is less than number 9. So Ali Alligator will turn his back to number 7 because he doesn't like to eat the smaller number at all. He always likes to eat and open his mouth towards the greater number. So now let's read the equation, the sentence. 9 is greater than 7, or 7 is less than 9. And that's it. Way to go. See you later, alligator. Bye.